see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning. Yung kulot-kulutan na naman siya. Yung boys naliligo na. Si Kuya tapos na. Si Sakang nasa shower. Yung naririnig niyo si Zachary.
Oh, chop, chop.
Chop, chop, baby. You want wraps? Wrap?
Got to be gone by
8:50?
7:50.
7:50. Okay, you want wrap, Baba?
Try the car now.
Okay. Wrap?
Got to be there at 9 o'clock.
Okay. Zachary is going with me.
Yeah. Oh, wolves.
Baby anymore.
Wolves. But how do you... Then you got to put it in blind, do you?
Yeah.
Well, come on, you don't need to
Okay,
spend half
that's
an hour
right.
on that.
9 minutes na lang yung aking space dyan sa SD card. Ang gagawin ko ayon nga, mag-wrap sila ngayon. Si Sak hindi siya mag-take ng bus. Ako yung magdadala sa kanya mamaya sa school kasi punta muna siya sa dentist. May dentist appointment siya today. Meron siyang appointment. So hindi sila magkasabay ni Holly. Kasi si Holly, late si Holly na pa, book. Si Sak,
Pick up.
way back. Pero iba yung dentist niya.
You got any books?
Yung
Yeah.
dentist ni Holly
Bakit
kahapon,
hindi
bago namin yun na
What's this math
may
one?
encounter. May encounter.
Holly.
No, that's the old one. Kasi yung dentist na pinupuntahan talaga namin ay busy siya. Yung ngayon yung tatagpuin ni Isa. Yan yung kanyang nilang lunch today.
Right, that for the horse.
Okay.
Alright.
You're going now? Love you.
Yeah. So, ito yung kay Holling lunchbox. And ayan yung kanyang snacks. And ito yung kay Zachary. Siya nagpili ng mga dadalhin niya. May apricot. And ito kay Kuya. Ayaw nila magdalang lunchbox kasi raw wala silang time para ibalik sa room yung kanilang lunchbox. Gusto nila yung madalian. Which one yan? This one. How many aprons that you want? One. Sax, where's your lunch bag? See you. Love you. Listen and learn. Si Holly, kailangan ko siyang i-order ng bagong ganito. Lunch bag. Kasi, ang dumi niya na and tingnan niyo na. Overuse na talaga siya. Gamit na gamit. May roll-ups pa siya. Baba, I put toothpick here.
Yeah.
Nilagyan kong toothpick para hindi para hindi siya bumuka. Baba ha, careful ha. And chuck this in the bin. Or put on this side after you eat, okay? The toothpick. Ni-squish ko yung lettuce. Para hindi maipit. Alright? Spray and alcohol. Okay, back to work na with Kuya. And, yeah, what time is your dentist? We have to go to. Baba, oh my God, this is too much. Oh, hindi na kasya sa ano mo. Which one? Popcorn? Oh, the Oreo? Okay. Ay, Sak, your apricot. Okay, put this in your... Okay. Kiss na, Mommy. Love you. Listen and... Listen and...
Holly, you gotta swim. Holly, what do you want?
And good luck for your first day of school and enjoy.
What?
Not what, Mom? Okay, mag-get ready na rin ako. What's that, Sak? Love you. Come on. Alis na ko ni Sak. 8:30 yung kanyang appointment.
Off the bill.
What happened? Why are you changing?
Off the bill. Mine.
You're wearing PE.
But it doesn't matter.
PE yung suit niya kanina. Nakita niyo ba?
Socks is like big.
Is that the one we bought?
Yeah.
Hurry up, Sak! Ako nga nagmadali, tapos ikaw, ay, nakong batang to. Ito pala yung OOTD natin.
No, I just swapped.
Huh?
Just swapped.
Ayan. Chichinelas lang ako. Ako ko na yung chinelas ko. So, ito from, ano nga to? Regatta. And from TikTok. Bakong chinelas. So, ito yung chinelas natin. Yeah! So, yun yung ating OOTD. So, yan. So, yan yung OOTD natin. Come on, Sak! Hurry up!
Yeah. This shirt looks so boxy.
Yeah, come on.
What's your...
What are you doing?
Your shoes?
Siya nagsapatos kasi malilate siya sa kanyang appointment.
Feeling.
Magpapapasta siya. Okay.
Forgot to shut that.
What? It's alright. Ingay ng car. Pag may nadidikitan lang kasi itong yung sa'yo.
I
Dito na
did.
kami.
It was like he
Ang
left.
dami niyang sinabi. Hindi niya lang pinupload. Nung i-on ko na sana yung camera, nag-stop siya magsalita. Ay, ayun na. Excited. Hindi siya excited. Ayun na siya. Oh. Excited siya. Are you excited, Zach? Ha? Gusto niya raw matapos agad. Alam, malamig. Ay, naku, ayan. Oh. Dito tayo sa Limestone Coast Dental. Ayan. Come on. Oh. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. First, Sakai Howard.
Yeah. Oh, good. You can have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're breathing really like...
What? Can you go get my
Huh?
Can you go get my laptop?
No. Naiiyak. Thank you. Hi.
Okay. Good. And then as well, but okay. So we'll lie back. We'll pop some anesthetic in.
Aray ko. Tapos na siya. How many? 2, right?
Two on what? It's
No.
next week.
Yeah, 2 na pasta, 2 filling. Right? It's baby tooth yung ano. Tapos, in 3 months, babalik siya para dun sa mga adults niya na wala namang butas. Kaso parang mahirap daw siyang linisin. So, lalagyan niya ng parang, ewan ko, basta may wala daw injection or anything. Better than pasta daw yun. Kasi hindi siya i-injectionan. Parang flat niya, hindi ko, basta ganun. Para daw hindi mastakan ng cavity. Kasi mahirap daw linisin. Pag siya nag-brush. And, do you want me to drop you off? You coming? Kasi naiwan niya yung laptop. Sabi ko, i-drop off ko na siya sa school. Tapos balikan ko yung laptop
That's
niya.
Holly cry from that needle. That was nothing.
Wow, because you're tougher than Holly.
Yeah, but that did not hurt. I didn't even feel the pinch.
Oh, okay, that's good then. Alright. You sure?
Yep.
You're coming?
Mhm.
Why?
Okay, that's good.
Ha?
That's good.
Kasi gusto niya, you want the naming to go down. Kasi numb pa daw yung ano niya. Sasama na lang daw siya sa bahay para kunin yung kanyang laptop. Okay.
When I lie down, this tooth is lower. Like I can't.
Yeah, because of the numbing cream.
Is that the cream?
So yeah, it's no, that injection. That's why you feel like a bit weird. So you just have to be careful when you eat. Okay. May sasakyan pa. So uwi kami para kunin yung laptop niya. Ikaw na talaga nakaiwan ng laptop. Umuulan na. Dito na kami sa bahay. Siya na lang yung bumaba para kunin yung laptop niya. Ukulele daw yung subject niya. Tapos hindi niya rin daw alam kung saan yung room. So absent siya sa ukulele. Yun yung instrument niya this time. This year. Last time, saxophone yung kanya. And then si Holly yun. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong pipiliin niya. Sana mag-choir si Holly kasi may choir sa sa nila, sa school. Hopefully mag-choir siya. Kasi mahilig naman siya kumanta. Ang pangit ng weather, tingnan niyo. Kahapon ang ganda, di ba ngayon? Tingnan niyo na naman. Nakakalungkot ang panahon. Dark yung clouds. Tagal ba ni Sak? Hinahanap niya rin yung cover ko dito sa ating DJI. Babalik na naman tayo sa
town. Drop off si Sak. Mag-walking sana ako after. Kaso tingnan niyo yung weather. Baka umulan ng malakas pag uwi ko. Saan tong batang to? Nag-jacket na siya.
This shirt's bigger than the jumper.
Your top? Your polo? Mas malaki raw yung polo niya kaysa jacket niya. Okay. You didn't see my cover? No, it's alright. Okay, let's go. Hatid ko na to. You didn't even look? Okay. Ayan yung laptop niya. Are that again?
No, blue.
Midnight blue?
Yeah, I got my zip and all that.
Yeah. This is Sak. See you. Love you. Love you. But can I see your... No, it's nothing. Do you know where you're going? Wait, baby. Let me see. Is it pain? No. Be careful when you eat, huh? Okay, see you. See you later. What do you want for dinner? You want roast pork?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Love you. Bye-bye. See ya. Okay, uwi na ako. Gamit ko na yung phone kasi wala na. Puno na yung SD card natin dito. Ayun na siya. Nasaan na? Ay, hindi. Ayun. Okay, tayo. Uwi na tayo. 10 ano na? 10. Di ba? Dito. Basta past 10. Punta ako ng Bunnings bago ako umuwi. Bunnings muna tayo. Tingin ako ng plants or trees. Dapat pala dito ako nag-park. Nag-park ako doon. Ito yung mga herbs. Ayan yung thyme. Ang ganda naman nito. Ay, ang ganda nito. Compare dun sa nabili natin kahapon. $10. Magkano ba yung bili ko kahapon? Ito, ang ganda ng lago. Makakuha ako nito. Oh my God, lemongrass. Kuha din tayo ng lemongrass. Oh my God. Kailangan natin ng lemongrass. Ayan, kuha tayo nito. Ang lago talaga ng thyme. And ito yung rosemary. Ilang beses na ako nag-attempt nito way back. Tapos, di ko siya nabubuhay. Madali lang daw to buhayin eh. Ewan ko ba? Yung time sa akin, naalagaan ko yun bago ako umuwi ng Pinas. Nung pag-uwi ko ngayon, wala na kasi hindi nila diniligan. Ayan yung basil, oh. Meron tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung lalago yun. Yung mint, ang ganda din. Okay, doon tayo sa mga trees. Ito mga, some herbs. Ito yung mga gulay-gulay. Oregano. Ayan. Ang lago na nito, $19, 1974. Passion fruit, hindi naman natin kailangan ng passion fruit. Ay, grapes. Tinitingnan ko kung may kalamansi ba. Kalamansi. Long gunberry. Ayan yung long gunberry, oh. Wala akong makitang kalamansi.
Meron na tayo nitong blackberries. Black currant. Ito yung juice na iniinom nila. Sana may siriguelas. Olive yan. Oh. Dapat mag-ano rin kaming olives, no? Magtanim ng olives doon sa farm. Hindi pa kasi makapagtanim doon kasi may mga gagawin pa doon eh. So para hindi ba matamaan. Ayan yung cherry. Cherry. Santa Rosa plum. Ito naman. Stark crimson cherry. Ano yan? Hindi natin alam kung anong masarap na cherry. Kung may iba pa ba siyang pangalan. Ito yung plum na. Kaso nga lang. Yeah, we'll see. Si Johnny Boy. Wala akong makitang kalamansi. Ayun, may bunga na yung apple, oh. Cider apple. Kingston Black. Ayan. $57 siya. Robe D. Sergeant. Plum naman. Wala akong makitang ano. Oh, meron tayo nito. Ayan yung apricot. Wala. Yung mga apples may mga bunga na. Wala ang kalamansi. Ito yung mga citrus nila. Just by pruning. Ano to? Ito, $43. Standard tree. Gusto ko mga ganito lang, yung parang bonsai. Ano mo lang, ipopruning mo nga lang siya. Ito yung mandarin. Dapat kasama ko si Jan. Tingin lang ako kung meron silang kalamansi. Ay, akala ko kalamansi. Ito ba? Hindi. Orange to. Ayan. Kumquat. Ito. Green. At least ito nakasaad na sabi green. Yung sa akin, ano ba yun? Green ba yun? Wala naman. Kumquat lang nakalagay. Pero wala pa siyang flower. Ang ganda sana kung may bunga na siya, no? Tingnan ko nga yung pag-uwi kung nakalagay green. Yan, picturean ko to. Nag-vlog ako naka-cinema. Cinematic yung ating atake dun sa pag-vlog ko pagpasok dito. Ito, kumquat. Green. Picturean ko. Wala ka pang bunga. Ayun, meron. Ayun, meron siya, oh. Orange yung isa dito. Parang ganito yun. Kumquat din yun. Pero parang ganito ang itsura nung nabili ko. Ganito. Okay. Balikan ko to bukas or the next day. Ayan, may bunga na siya. Ano ba? May bunga. Parang kita niyo ba? May bunga basta yan. Ayan, oh. Green, nakasad green. Kumquat green. Yung akin, kumquat. Pero iba yung picture niya, pahaba. Eto, bilog. May bilog talaga siya. Kasi parang kalamansi talaga. Ayan, oh. Bilog talaga siya. Kumquat green. Oh. Balikan ko yung isa. Tingnan ko muna yung nabili ko. Pero pretty sure ako mahaba siya. Yung picture. At yun kasi bilog. Yun talaga yung kalamansi ang itsura. Kuha tayo ng lemongrass. Wala naman siguro may-ari nito. Ayan. Tapos yung thyme. Ito.
Kasi pwede ko na siyang gawing kuhaan ba pa na. Ganito na sana yung time ko bago ako umalis. Meron tayo doon nabili pero ito kasi malago. Gawa ko ng steak. Pipitas-pitas na lang ulit ako dito. Parang gusto ko na rin kunin yung doon, yung kalamansi. Patulong ako. Okay, thank you. Ayan, kunin ko na lang. Patulong na ako sa kanya. You're right?
Yeah.
The one with the...
That's the fruit one.
Yeah. Is it said green? Kumquat green? Yes. Ah,
Oh,
there's
they're
all broken. But
It's not. It's only two. And I
ah,
can snip them.
okay.
That one's nothing.
It's nothing.
And this one, it's pruning. It's called.
Okay, okay. So if I don't wanna grow really big, what should I do?
Cut it back.
But
And
it's,
this, and where are you putting it? In a pot?
for now, yes.
Yeah.
What should I do?
The plants only grow as big as you allow them to in a pot.
Okay.
So potted plants grow smaller than out
In
a,
the ground.
Yep. So you're
So-
you're winning already
Okay.
by having it in a pot.
Okay.
And if it starts getting too big, just cut it back.
But I cannot cut this one because this one is the
Not
one
now,
no,
but
later
When
on.
it's not fruiting,
Okay.
you can cut it back. Look at that. See, and that's what I mean. That one must have broken off at some time. And look, you get
Oh
nice,
yeah, give nice one.
yeah, nice new shoots.
So I'm just gonna proning.
Anything else?
Ah!
Here?
Is it? Oh, this is bigger. Wait. There's no flowers, right? Ah, yeah, there is.
Yeah. there's a
Yeah.
couple.
Yeah. Okay.
All good?
All good. Thank you.
No worries,
Where
darling.
I can get this? So,
Down in
tools.
not tools. No, down in garden equipment.
Ah, garden equipment. Okay. Thank you. Ito pala meron dito. Ay, eto mas marami ang bunga. Ah, palitan ko. Tumawag pa ako. Hindi ko kasi ito nakita. Ayan, oh. Pareho lang. Palitan ko siya. So, ikakat-kat ko lang. Nandito kasi sa pinakadul. Dalawa lang yung bunga nito eh. Ito kasi nakatago. Ayan yung mga bunga niya. Ay, palitan ko. Sorry po. Pareho lang naman sila. Ayan, kumquat green. So, palitan natin ito. Kasi ito mas marami ang bunga niya. Compare dito. Sana magkasya to sa sana magkasya siya sa car. Kasi medyo siya, matangkad na. No? Sana magkasya dun. Okay. Okay. Ayan na yung mga plants na nabili natin. Or trees. Herbs. Yung cart ko medyo nililiko ako dito sa right side. Patabingi yung aking pag-push kasi pag padiretso siya, kumukusa siya papunta sa right. Uy, wag ka dyan. Ayan yung car natin. Sana kasya sa likod. Hindi doon sa likod-likod. Dito ba sa passenger back seat. Ayan, dito. Thank you. Ay, parang ito na yung totoong kalamansi. Nakalagay pa green. Dito pa siya. Ayan yung ating kalamansi. Hindi siya dikit doon sa baba kasi hindi kasya yung kanyang pot. So, ganyan lang siya nakahang dyan. And then, yung kanyang dahon, ayun. Buti na lang, hindi naman ganun katangkad. Kayong mababali. And yung ating tanglad kung sa Bicol, yung lemongrass, tsaka yung thyme, ayan. All good. Let's go home. Balik ko lang muna pala to. Pauwi na pala ako ng bahay. And eto na yung nabili natin sa Bunnings. Natingin ko, ito yung totoong kalamansi. Kasi eto yung nabili ko kahapon. Doon sa Gardenarium. Ito yung pangalan niya. Kumquat Calamundin. Pick and eat. Tapos yung shape niya, kakaiba diba? Para siya yung ano. Hindi ko. Basta ibang shape niya compare dito sa nakuha natin sa Bunnings. Kumquat green. Kalamansi ang itsura, diba? Yellow nga lang. Orange lang tong kulay niya. Pero green ang nakalagay. So, feeling ko yan yung kalamansi. At least meron tayong fruit na etong calamundin. Kasi pick and eat. So, siguro pag nahinog siya, pwedeng kainin kasi matamis. Eto maasim to eh. Pag ito yung kalamansi. And ito yung parsley ko noon na ang ganda na sana nito. Tapos may time to wala na. Binunot ko na yung time kasi ano na siya. Brown na. And ito yung nabili natin na time doon sa Gardenarium kung saan natin nabili yung kumquat na calamundin. Ayan. So silang dalawa. Tapos ito din. Yung chili na super hot. And ito yung sa Bunnings. So, tingnan. Compare nyo naman siya dyan. At least ito, pwede ko na siyang kuhaan. Tapos, nagluto ako ng steak. Ayan. Tapos ito, lemongrass. Sana talaga, ano siya, tumagal sa atin. At mabuhay siya. So, ayan. So, yan na yung aking mga plants. So, ililipat ko siya. Yung ito lang, ilalagay yan doon sa, sa farm. Eto, dito lang sila. Kasi, dito tayo nagluluto. Eto, babantayan natin to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tapos may bulaklak pa dito. 10, 11, 12. 12 ang bunga niya. Yung unang nakita ko kasi malaki. Dalawa lang siya. Buti na lang nagsaliksik pa ako dun sa unahan. Ito, namumulaklak na si calamundin. Wala pa siyang bunga. Kasi yan yan na yung ating plantita. So, update ko na lang kayo. And ako ay mag-i-edit.
Alas 3 na pala guys. So, magluto na ako ng, ito yung dinner namin. Roast pork, tapos buns with gravy. So, i-roast ko lang to. Preheat ko na pala yung oven. So, ang gagawin ko lang dito ay i-score siya. Yung hiwa-hiwain. Nanonood ako ng habang nag-edit ako, nanonood ako ng nakikinig lang ng Korean. May English subtitle naman kasi. English na yung nagsasalita talaga, parang dinab na English siya. And si Jan, yung kanyang horse, horse ng pinsan niya, merong race today. This afternoon. So, dapat maaga yung dinner namin para makapag-dinner na rin siya bago siya umalis. So, gawin ko na to. So, patry ko lang to. Yung sa code, ito yung sa Drake. Wala siyang instruction. Yung sa post kasi meron, kung ilang kilo siya, meron siyang instruction. So this one, maliit lang naman siya. Maliit lang naman siya. So ang gagawin ko is, i-high temperature ko yung oven, like 250 degrees. And, for 30 minutes lang. Then, after 30 minutes, ilo-low ko yung temperature hanggang maluto siya. Magay tayong aluminum foil. Para dito niya salaan yung oil, yung fat. Yung sa calls, meron na siyang score.
Ito, wala.
Para dry na dry, para maging crispy. Kuha tayo muna. Ayan na. I-oven ko na siya. For 30 minutes. Did you open the window or the door?
Yeah.
Nag-smoky.
Why not?
Pagpasok niya, wala siya makita. Nag-toilet kasi ako. Narinig yung sizzling. Ilang minutes pa ba? 4 minutes, then ibababa ko na yung temperature niya. And soon, dito yung mga bata, 3:23 na. Ewan ko. Tinatawag na tayo. Nakita ko. Mauusukan din ka eh. Buksan ko muna. Ayan na yung itsura niya. So, ilo-low temp ko siya sa 160. Naririnig ko na. Hi! Hi, my love!
Hello there.
Today?
Good. I forgot this
Why you get this?
capybara.
Huh?
It's a capybara.
Capybara? What's capybara?
Mum, it's not even yum. Oh, look, I ate all my food and all.
Oh, that's good.
What is that smell, Connie?
Roast pork.
Good.
Good now.
I don't know how Ollie cry. I don't know.
Say hi.
Mwah. Mwah.
Hi. Where's Kuya?
I had Doja Toys, and guess how much I got in a day?
How much?
7.
7?
Can I have some spaghetti?
Wow. Yes, Kuya. Si Kuya, pagkain na agad. Huh? Pagkain na agad? Food already? Even you're not inside the house yet? Hoy, say hi to my vlog. Come here.
I'm hungry. Wait.
Come on. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog.
Huh.
Hi. Saki singing. Hi, Kuya, get up, please. Oh, yeah, because I'm roasting pork.
School.
What's your homework
I didn't have any. I did it on Monday.
next month? What's wrong? Oh, there's no meatballs, Kuya. Kinain ko yung
Yes, there
meatballs.
is.
No, there's
Is this left?
yeah, that's
Oh,
all.
we have the rest. Then.
Yeah. No, we can have later. Let Kuya have that pasta.
Have some snacks.
Yes, but we're gonna eat soon.
What's this head?
Roast pork with bread rolls and gravy. Daddy is going to watch the horse.
I'm coming.
Are you coming? Oh, sabi si Oli sa trot. Mabagay niya may naiwan ko dun yung glasses
Wait,
ko. My glasses.
when's me and Dad going?
After dinner.
Where are you going?
5:30 maybe.
Wait, where? Your glasses?
Yeah, there. There. Oh, Holly, on the TV, I left it.
Why do you always put it there?
No, because Daddy was saying something to me and then
What's for tea?
I said roast pork. And
Maya. Maya.
are you next to each other? Sitting
Yeah.
each other? Who else? Who else in your class?
Ruby, Annabelle, Danielle, Papa.
Danielle from the Bay. Are you with her last year? No?
I had her in year 2.
So this year you're together.
Yep.
Okay guys, mag-edit mo na ako si Kuya. Of course, food is life.
Can I just have one bite?
Yeah,
It's hot.
it's very hot. And I left
Is there
my...
not more noodles in it?
I left my... Yes, there's more noodles in the Ziploc.
Oh, I'll just do that later. Oh, And I said, where you going? And then he said,
Don't listen to him.
I know. You're full of
Shit.
I'm actually not. Why would you not believe me, huh?
because
No,
you're
actually,
full
I'm
of
not even joking this time. I did
That's
say
what
it.
happens when you boy cry wolf.
Boy cry wolf.
Yeah, it's an old saying.
An old saying.
Yeah. There was a boy a long time ago, he had lots of sheep and he'd call out, wolf's coming to get the sheep, wolf's coming, everyone run up there. Joking, and he'd go back and he'd keep saying, well,
and then it was
then one day he read, a wolf's coming to get the sheep. No one believed him,
and then it was
and they
real.
got the sheep. That's why
See?
they don't lie.
That's
Why
right.
The boy cried wolf.
I did, see? And I said I'm lying. And he's
Look
like,
at you.
I did say all that stuff.
Hungry
Can
thing.
I Parmesan in this?
Yeah, there is.
I don't like it.
Oh, you don't
what?
like.
Parmesan.
The parmesan.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm saying.
Ayaw nila ng parmesan cheese. Kuya, you like my chicken? Chicken parmesan.
That's chicken parmesan.
No, chicken, no. Parmesan, the wings.
It's different.
Oh, but you like that one. It's not different. They're the same.
Just, yeah. Bring,
What?
just one will be enough.
Yeah, just one because Daddy has carrot.
Here, Mum, throw it in.
Ikakat niya pa. Are you gonna cut it to, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, so baby that horse.
I'll just cut it up into 4 bits.
Kasi kinat niya din yung ano, yung carrots. Binigyan ko pa pala siya kahapon ng parang yung silicone na spoon. Walnut spoon, yung panduan, yung tawag doon. Binigyan ko siya pa dun sa molasses niya. Kasi yung molasses niya, kung maalala nyo,
What's
ginamit.
this though?
What's that?
I'll take this.
Yeah. But you bring it back, please.
Alright.
Why don't you try?
Well, I'll take it now.
Kunin niya yung, kinuha niya yung empty
Bye, Mama.
ice cream container. Yung ginamit niya sa molasses niya yung ano, yung kinat niya lang na bottle ng water. So, nahirapan siyang ang daming nasayang kasi nga, napaka-sticky nun. So, ang dami dun sa where? Dun sa dun sa bottle. So, binigyan ko siya yung silicone ko na spoon, ginagamit sa pagluto, na mababaw lang. Sabi ko, scoop mo lang na ganun, tapos para madali lang din matanggal. Ayun, happy naman siya dun kahapon. First time niyang gamitin, okay daw. Rinig niya. Craft wings talaga siya. Yung ibabaw niya, and ayun yung sa loob. Tama-tama lang, hindi siya ganun kaalat. Si Jan, ayaw niya tong crunch. So good. So gravy na lang ang gagawin ko. Then, ready na yung dinner nila. 5:15 to be exact ang oras.
Then, eto, iba-butter. So, ito na yung gravy. And yung buns, nilagyan ko siya na, binalot ko pala siya sa sa cling wrap, individual. Kasi, plano ko sana pang lunch din ng mga bata. Kukuha lang ako ng 3 or 2 kung sinong gusto ng bread na ganito. Tapos yung iba kasi gusto naman wrap, ang isa nang gusto sliced bread. So, ginawa ko ganito para kuha lang ako isa-isa. Pero ngayon, lahat. Kasi dinner nila yan. So, lagyan ko lang ng butter, tapos ibalik ko dito. Then mamaya, sila nang bahala kung gusto na nilang kumain. Yeah!
Hey, why didn't you go far? Go to the tea.
Yeah.
Oh.
Try that. Try the crunch.
The crunch.
Mm.
I'll just try a bit of meat as well. Why is it that red? Bread.
Warm. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this. What do you want? Do you want sliced bread? Yeah.
I would rather white bread.
Gusto niya daw what? But this is healthier. A bit hard. Careful with your teeth. You eat dinner when that comes, okay? Good? How about that? Try this one.
Oh, it's good.
Good na? So, sisak sliced bread. Nice. Wait for that and then you're gonna have dinner, okay? Dito na sila. Nagmamadali na si Johnny Boy. Nasa labas pa, hindi pa siya pumapasok. Pero sabi ni Holly, i-ready ko na raw yung dinner. Careful. Too hard.
Gravy.
Give us a taste, babe. Hey, babe.
Wash your hands
I'm
off.
going. Come on, give me some.
With gravy.
Wash your hands.
Good?
Thanks, Mom. It's good.
So good.
Uh-huh.
Nice, no? Tender. I mean, juicy. So good. Si Kuya, hindi pa kumakain kasi kumain siya ng spaghetti, di ba?
I wrote that down.
With love.
There's
Oh
only,
my God.
there's only trials, like there's only 3 races and then the house runs around at the end.
Okay.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Bye. Enjoy. Love you. What time you will be home?
Probably come up
Half past 8. Okay.
Love you,
Because
Mom.
Solly have school tomorrow. So
Bye,
yun na
Mom.
guys yung vlog natin. Thank you. Bye. Thank you guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Pinag-iisipan ko kung mag-walk ako after nito kasi may ano pa naman, maliwanag pa naman sa labas. Pag natapos ko to, we'll see kung makakapag-walk ako or matutulog. Good night guys. Bye.
Time